Hello friends and welcome back. Along with this week of learning about the rainforest, today I'm going to show you how to create fog. Fog is when tiny water droplets hover over the air. Think of it as a cloud, but on the ground. That's fog. For this experiment, you'll need hot water in a jar and some ice. And open your jar and put your ice on top of your jar. When the cold air from the ice meets the warm water from the jar, the water condenses and forms fog. I hope you enjoyed creating fog with me. Try it for yourself. Take a video and post it on our page. Have a wonderful day. Bye.